sports and diversion-centered Chiliz token was the 40th biggest digital currency on the planet, starting around the 7th of October 2022, as per crypto information supplier CoinMarketCap. The token has outflanked any semblance of Bitcoin and Ether in 2022 on the rear of its organization-managed Spanish football club FC Barcelona. Could it be said that you are keen on advancing certainly more about the CHZ token and who has the most Chiliz token? This video separates the historical backdrop of the CHZ token, its tokenomics and holders amazingly. What is Chiliz? Chiliz is a blockchain innovation supplier for the game and media outlet. Chiliz works a fan token trade called Chiliz.net and a fan commitment stage called Socios. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and current president of Chiliz in a significant manner. In 2018, Chiliz raised more than $66M through confidential position. As per Dreyfus' LinkedIn profile, Chiliz is a unit of the Malta-based Meteorex Gathering, a game and diversion association framed in 2006. Incredibly, the stage permits brandishing associations to plan and mint tokens for their fans to purchase, gather, and exchange in an unpretentious way. Fan tokens sort of are digital forms of money pointed toward giving avid supporters essentially restrictive enrollment advantages, casting a ballot rights and group choices, stock rewards, and admittance to really official non-fungible token. The CHZ coin is the local Chiliz digital money. As per its site, the fan impact and reward stage is controlled by the CHZ token. The CHZ token at first sent off as an Ethereum-based ERC20 Pretty token. Afterward, the token explicitly was made accessible as a BNB Brilliant Chain-based BEP20 token and Tron-based TRC20 token. CHZ Coin's essential use case is to permit avid supporters to purchase fan tokens on the Chiliz trade or the Socios stage. Sports groups have progressively cooperated with any semblance of Chiliz and to truly seek after various roads for showcasing and brand openness while allowing fans the opportunity to fundamentally associate with their clubs in new ways, which is very critical. Chiliz has collaborated with football clubs including Paris Holy Person Germain, Atlético de Madrid, FC Barcelona, and Manchester City. The organization really has likewise collaborated with motorsport organizations, esports groups, public b-ball affiliation groups, public football association clubs, and a definitive battling title, among others. CHZ supply. What number of coins out there? CHZ is the 40th biggest digital currency on the planet with a market capitalization of $1.29 billion, starting around the 7th of October 2022, as per crypto information supplier CoinMarketCap in an unpretentious manner. The token for the most part was exchanging at 21 cents as of that date. Outstandingly, it has never surpassed the $1 mark since its send-off. The greatest stockpile of CHZ tokens remains at 8.88 billion, which were stamped at beginning. A sum of 8.88 billion CHZ tokens were stamped at beginning, as per the Chiliz white paper. The 3.06 billion CHZ tokens, or 34.5% of the all-out beginning stockpile, was reserved for token deal and pre-deal. Colleagues and seed financial backers were dispersed 444.44 million CHZ tokens every, which totaled to address 10% of CHZ all-out starting inventory. Chiliz's 6-part warning board was given 266.66 million CHZ token. The 2.66 billion CHZ tokens, or 30% of complete starting inventory, were assigned for vital acquisitions and promoting tasks. The leftover 2 billion CHZ tokens, or 22.5% of genuinely complete starting stock, was kept aside as user base holds. As per research firm Masari, the CHZ token has a component that consumed 20% of the net exchanging charges gathered on Chiliz.net trade, 10% of net returns of the fan token contributions, 20% of net returns from NFT gave on Chiliz starting around the 7th of October 2022. CHZ had a circling supply of around 6 billion tokens. CoinMarketCap information displayed incredibly. Who possesses the most Chiliz tokens? As per blockchain information on Etherscan, there in a real sense were a sum of 151,844 CHZ holding tens to on the 7th of October 2022. The kind of the greatest Chiliz holder basically was a multi-signature, most certainly brilliant agreement address connected to Chiliz. The location held over 2.88 billion CHZ tokens, certainly equivalent to 32% of the Symbolic's all-out supply. Etherscan information basically showed 2 wallet addresses connected to digital money trade. Binance were the second and third in every practical sense biggest holders of CHZ. The Binance connected addresses held over 1.8 billion CHZ tokens, addressing more than 20% of complete inventory. The unidentified wallet address came in fourth on the rundown with an equilibrium of around 422.2 million CHZ tokens, or 4.75% of all-out supply. On the 7th of October 2022, the wallet address demonstrated a functioning client with 2,560 exchanges executed, or so they explicitly thought. Another unidentified wallet address was the fifth greatest CHC holder, as per Etherscan information. The wallet held 370 million CHC tokens, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Information showed that the wallet had executed just 6 exchanges, all of which showed CHC tokens shipped off and fro Binance-connected addresses. It ought to be noticed that while blockchain information is straightforward and wallet addresses are distinguishable to the general population, the personality of the wallet address holder stays unknown naturally except if revealed. There are 4 additional mysterious wallet locations and 1 location connected to crypto trade OKX among the main 10 holders of Chiliz, as indicated by Etherscan. CHC holders examination. High whale focus in any cryptographic money makes the symbolic's value defenseless against unexpected, for the most part, drops in the event that a whale decides to sell a critical extent of their stake. Information from research firm Into the Block showed that convergence of enormous holders in the CHC token remained at 83%, starting around the 7th of October. In examination, Bitcoin's fixation by especially huge holders remained at 10%, and Ether's focus by target holders came in at 41% on the 7th of October. Into the Block information uncovered that 61% of Chiliz holders held their tokens for more than 1 year, while 36% of holders held it for 1 to a year. Starting around the 7th of October, 72% of CHC holders really were out of the cash, meaning they were holding their CHC tokens at a loss at current exchanging cost of about 21 cents. Significant news for Chiliz holders. FC Barcelona bargain, in spite of prevalent thinking. Allow us to take a gander at some significant Chiliz improvements which little and enormous Chiliz holders ought to, all things considered, know about. The greatest improvement of the year for Chiliz was the declaration of the organization between its fan commitment and prizes stage and Spanish football club FC Barcelona. On the 1st of August 2022, Chiliz reported that procured a 24.5% stake in Spanish football club FC Barcelona's computerized content creation and dispersion center Point Barca Studios for $100 M. As indicated by Chiliz, the arrangement made Socios FC Barcelona's essential innovation accomplice to chip away at the club's blockchain, NFT and advanced resources and Web3 systems. The CHC token flooded after catching wind of the arrangement and posted a kind of month-to-month gain of more than 75% in August 2022. One more critical improvement was the declaration of Chiliz Chain 2.0 in mid-2022. The CC2 is a Layer 1 blockchain that will empower NFT mints, fan kind of symbolic mints, play to procure games and decentralized finance applications on the Chiliz-centered blockchain in an unpretentious manner. In late September 2022, Chiliz reported that LiveLike, a constant fan commitment and maintenance arrangements organization, will turn into the first to foster its blockchain and Web3 projects on the CC2 blockchain. Chiliz said in a public statement on the 26th of September. The eventual fate of the CHC token isn't really as an application money or value-based layer. The job of CHC will grow